In today's video, I'll show you how to create a rough and artistic opening where paint-like strokes spread across the screen and reveal your video. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Grunge Paint, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, rough paint strokes move across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a gritty and creative look. Use the duration slider to control how fast the paint spreads. Shorter duration makes the effect bold and aggressive. Longer duration slows it down for a more cinematic and textured reveal. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the paint movement feels natural with your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a grunge paint reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.